Hi, we are the Navy Jackets of YWLA Midland. My name is Caitlin Aberia and I'm the project manager.
My name is Ira Namki and I'm the project coordinator.
My name is Pamani Vignesh and I'm the marketing manager. My name is Hansini Vignesh and I'm the creative design lead. One of the biggest problems in the world currently is that 92% of plastic pollution on the ocean surface is caused by microplastics.
And over the past decade, this percentage of microplastics content has tripled.
Our project idea came to life when we saw how much marine life was suffering. We consume about a credit card's worth of microplastics every week. Our project aims to find a practical solution on reducing the amount of microplastics in water sources. We created a product that moves by itself using wind energy and moves around the water surface collecting microplastics.
Our product solves two of the main problems caused by microplastics: consumption and pollution. We humans consume microplastics whenever we consume fish or seafood, and marine life is affected by pollution of microplastics.
The materials for our project was flex tape, the microplastic filter, an e-boat motor kit, some pipes and wires, cardboard, and a multimeter. The materials we used for our microplastic filter was a mesh bag, some serving baskets, some shower loofahs, 8 to 10 cotton balls, 4 coffee filters, and some zip ties. To make our wind turbine, we used a square base made out of PVC pipes with a T-shaped PVC pipe, and we connected 2 DC motors via a wire to transfer the wind energy coming from this fan to this fan.
In order to test our wind energy, we conducted a voltage test. We let the hairdryer create wind energy, which went from here to here. And at first we started with 2.5 milliamps, which maxed out, then 10, which did the same thing. When we did it with 50, we realized it was 17 milliamps.
In order to make the PVC base pipe, we made like a square shaped structure, and we put a long PVC here, attached it here to make a T shape, and then the wind turbine went on top. To make the filter, we used the serving basket, and inside we put a shower loofah, and we also used some cotton balls and coffee filters inside. And after that, we used another serving basket to put it over and secure it with zip ties. And then over that, we put the mesh bag. To test our product, we used a tub with water with glitter and a few microplastic particles, and we switched it around in the water, mimicking the ocean waves.
Our team used the engineering method to ensure that we could go back and fix our mistakes and create a better prototype for the final result. The results showed that prototype number 2 had the best job at filtering microplastics. In order to test our 3 prototypes, for the first one, we placed glitter and we switched it around. For the second one, we did the same thing, but we added loofahs on the end of the basket, and we also added nylon mesh to mimic microplastics. We did the same thing for trial 3, and the results showed that trial 2 was the best. We redid it, but except we did it again so that we could have measurable results. We took prototype 2 and did 3 trials. For the first trial, it picked up 5/6 of the microplastic content. For trial 3, it picked up 3/4, and the same for trial 2.
These are the pictures from our results. We had 3 trials and trial 2 worked the best. To conclude our experiment, prototype 2 worked the best. We tested 3 prototypes, and out of all of them, prototype 2 picked up the most microplastics. And from least microplastic to the most microplastics picked, it would be prototype 1, prototype 3, and prototype 2. One of the problems we had while conducting our experiment was that the glitter kept sinking to the bottom of the tub, but we fixed this by swishing around the glitter often so that it would keep floating in the water.
Another problem that occurred was our first idea for the wind turbine. We wanted to use galvanized iron to mimic a real wind turbine, but this idea failed as the iron was too heavy.
The last problem we had was that we had to replace the filter so that the microplastics that were caught wouldn't be thrown back into the water. We were also connecting the wrong wires, and that wouldn't let the wind energy transfer to the motor, and that wouldn't let it spin. And here we have the resources we used for our project. Thank you for your time.